Understanding I and I. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of English phrases and expressions to unravel the meaning behind I and I. While this might not be a common phrase you'll hear in everyday conversation, it's rich in history and culture. Let's break it down. I and I is a phrase primarily associated with Rastafarian language. The Rastafarian movement, which originated in Jamaica in the 1930s, places a heavy emphasis on the connection between man and the divine, often represented by the figure of Haile Selassie I of Ethiopia. In the Rastafarian belief system, I and I is an expression to emphasize the oneness between humanity and the divine. Instead of saying, you and I, which might create a sense of separation, I and I seeks to dissolve that distinction. To understand I and I, it's crucial to dive a bit deeper into its spiritual essence. The phrase highlights the Rastafarian belief that God exists within and is a part of every individual. In other words, God is not just an external entity. God is within each one of us. This belief leads to the understanding that there's no distinction between the individual and the divine. Therefore, I and I is a profound way to convey unity, not only among individuals but also between the individual and the divine. Over time, the influence of Rastafarian culture, especially through reggae music, has brought I and I to a broader audience. Musicians like Bob Marley have used the phrase in their lyrics, further popularizing it. In the broader context, I and I has become symbolic of unity, solidarity, and communal responsibility. However, it's important to remember its roots and deep spiritual significance when using or interpreting it. I and I is more than just a combination of pronouns. It's a profound expression of unity and interconnectedness. While its roots lie in the Rastafarian movement, its essence is universal, reminding us of the deep connection between all of us and the greater universe. We hope this exploration into I and I has been enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of language.